I'm part of a family farming business at Clanny in the northeastern wheat belt. It's about a 300mm annual rainfall. We're about 70% heavy soils, where the main constraints is sodicity and salinity, and they're very alkaline, and the other 30% are lighter soil types, which are often wodule, which are characterised by being very acid with subsoil compaction. So often crop germination can be quite difficult, especially in our drier seasons. There's been probably two big changes that have really aided management in these soils. The first one was no-till and moving to press wheels, and those press wheels help with water harvesting. And the second one on these alkaline and sodic soils was in 2016 we made the decision to get out of livestock. We found livestock were compacting the soil and removing surface soil cover. We have a really strong focus on maximising soil cover to basically protect the soil, make the soil more soft and friable, and to aid dry sowing. Because as we've had the decline in winter rainfall since 2000, it's been probably mainly autumn rainfall, it's sowing rainfall, so we've become heavily reliant on dry sowing. We've been spreading gypsum since the 80s. It works well, but if you then go in there and cultivate, run livestock, you potentially then negate those benefits. So we've found combining gypsum with removing livestock, maximising soil cover, the whole system is now functioning really well. The crop choices we grow on these soil types, you probably separate it from the sodic heavy soils on top of hills versus the valley floor sodic alkaline soil. So on the valley floors, we tend to grow a lot of barley. Because at the moment we're in a better run of years again, we're actually having a strong focus on trying to get a legume back onto these soil types. So we brought field peas back about 4 years ago, and this is the first year where we've actually grown a commercial crop of chickpeas that we're standing in at the moment. We're really interested in safflower for a couple of reasons. They're a spring crop, so you can delay sowing, and the second reason being because they have a strong fit to those sodic soils. Controlled traffic farming is really important, and it's not so much for subsoil compaction, it's more to protect that surface soil structure from that traffic. We've got an imperfect system here, like our harvesters aren't controlled traffic yet, but what's really important to get right is the high pass frequency machines like spraying and spreading, they're all running on set trams, and we've just noticed a really big difference. We feel like we've really improved productivity on these soils in the last 10 years, and it's all been very much about having a systems approach and combining all the different things like controlled traffic, crop choice, surface soil structure, water harvesting. And by removing sheep and what we've done, we are getting a lot better results out of these soils than what we were in the past. And plus it's also raining more at the moment as well.